Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Shukr Allah for everything. How are you friends? I hope you good. Today I am going to show you finger dabbing. It's so interesting homework. Did you see my homework? So come with me friends. Let's then start. So first step is dotting with orange color and ring finger. Let's see my activity like this. And the next step is mix on the yellow color with some little water like this. It's so interesting. I love yellow color. And what's your favorite color, friends? Please comment now in my comment box. I'm waiting in your comment. So hurry up guys. See the next level. So ready my yellow color. Let's see the apply like this. So done my yellow flower with my finger. Wow, I like this. Do you like friends? Go and make the drawing please. So all done my lovely yellow flowers. See the next level. Dabbing the red color in red flower like this. So all done my red flowers. Let's see friends. Okay, and the next level with green sketch pen. Apply on the all flowers with standing line like this. So all done my standing line. And the next level is apply the green color with thumb finger. Shape the leaves with all standing line like this. So all done my leaves. Let's see. Come the next level with blue color. Apply the butterfly like this. So done my blue butterfly. Okay, come the next level with black sketch pen. Apply on the butterfly like this. So done my beautiful butterfly. Add the some little dot like this. See the final look in my finger dabbing. Wow! Do you like friends? So go fast. Like, share, then subscribe. And have friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care, my friends.